Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Alterna online banking account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search alternabank.ca and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of page. Here you need to choose your account type at the first, either it is personal or small business. For this video, we will go for personal. And at the top, you can see this option login. You need to click over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface where you need to enter your login ID. After you're done entering your login ID, you need to enter your password. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, here you can see this option. You can click on that and they will be guiding you further to recover it. And here you can see this, by logging in, you agree to the terms and conditions. Now after you are done entering your credential, you can click on login and you will be successfully logged into your Alterna online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.